From the lush rainforest to your backyard garden, the natural world provides a wealth of healing plants. For centuries, humans have relied on herbs to treat various ailments. Today, we embark on a journey to uncover the hidden powers of 100 common herbs and their uses in traditional medicine. Clove, with its analgesic properties, has been used for generations to alleviate pain and soothe nausea. Its potent effects make it a staple in many medicinal cabinets around the world. Calendula, known for its vibrant orange petals, possesses remarkable anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. This makes it a sought-after remedy for pain relief and healing in traditional medicine practices. The delicate elderberry flower holds a secret potent antiviral properties, making it a powerful ally against infections like colds and fever. Deep beneath the surface lies ashwagandha, an ancient root revered for its ability to soothe pain and quieten anxious minds. Lavender's soothing aroma is unmistakable. Its oil, a precious extract, holds the power to ease aching muscles and bring a sense of calm. A familiar sight in gardens across the globe, aloe vera is a succulent with a hidden talent. Its fleshy leaves contain a gel with remarkable healing properties, soothing burns and skin irritations. For centuries, women have turned to the chasteberry for relief from the monthly cycle of hormones. This natural remedy can ease the discomfort of PMS, bringing balance to the female body. With its unmistakable aroma, garlic is a staple in kitchens worldwide. But this culinary favorite is also a powerful defender against illness, its antimicrobial properties warding off colds and flu. A common sight in gardens, the dandelion is often overlooked, yet this humble plant holds within its leaves and roots a wealth of medicinal properties. Peppermint, with its distinctive aroma, offers more than just a refreshing taste. This versatile herb, when crushed, releases oils that can soothe the body and mind. The nettle, armed with its stinging hairs, may appear uninviting. But this plant, when properly prepared, can be used to create a natural remedy for various ailments. Ginger is an indispensable part of many cuisines, but this versatile root also has potent medicinal properties. It effectively combats nausea and vomiting, and a soothing cup of ginger tea can work wonders for a cold. The fiery heat of the cayenne pepper is well known, but this spice also possesses remarkable healing powers. It's a natural pain reliever, particularly effective for aches and pains associated with arthritis. Basil, the fragrant herb that enhances countless dishes, also holds a secret. It is a gentle sedative. This makes it a natural remedy for bloating and digestive discomfort. This vibrant spice, a staple in many cuisines, contains curcumin, a powerful compound with remarkable antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Found in grasslands and meadows, yarrow has a long history of use as a first aid remedy, effectively stemming the flow of blood from cuts and bruises. This unassuming shrub, with its glossy leaves, possesses a powerful secret. It acts as a diuretic, helping to flush out harmful bacteria from the urinary tract. Sage, a stalwart of the herb garden, offers more than just culinary delight. This potent plant, with its earthy aroma, can soothe a sore throat and calm an upset stomach. In the wild beauty of mountain meadows, the arnica flower thrives. Its vibrant blooms hold a secret, a natural remedy for aching joints and weary muscles. Deep within the earth lies ginseng, a revered root with a long history in traditional medicine. Ginseng is believed to boost our natural defenses and combat the pressures of modern life. A common plant, often considered a weed, burdock possesses surprising properties. Its deep roots draw toxins from the soil, making it a powerful detoxifier. In the depths of the American West grows Cascara sagrada, a tree whose bark holds a secret. Brewed into a tea, it offers relief from constipation and eases anxieties. More than just a feline fancy, catnip provides comfort to humans too. A soothing cup of catnip tea can calm an upset stomach and quieten a restless mind. The chamomile flower, with its unassuming white petals, possesses potent properties. It soothes the digestive system, easing discomfort and promoting relaxation. Beyond its culinary appeal, cinnamon plays a surprising role in managing blood sugar levels, mimicking the effects of insulin within the body. From blood purification to aiding digestion, the chicory plant offers an array of benefits. Its roots, when dried and brewed, provide relief from indigestion. The roots of the echinacea plant possess potent immune-boosting properties, making them a traditional remedy for combating respiratory ailments. Ginkgo biloba leaves, rich in antioxidants, are believed to enhance blood flow to the brain, promoting mental clarity and alertness. Kava is revered for its analgesic properties, providing relief from pain, and its calming effects on both nerves and muscles. Lemongrass, a fragrant herb, offers a wealth of therapeutic benefits. From combating flu and stomach ailments to soothing body aches and calming stress, this versatile plant proves to be a true gift from nature's pharmacy. Deep beneath the surface, licorice root provides a soothing embrace for various ailments. This natural remedy tackles coughs, soothes sore throats, and even aids in healing gastrointestinal wounds. Resembling the majestic mane of a lion, this remarkable mushroom offers more than just visual appeal. Lion's mane stimulates digestion, promotes healthy blood pressure, and eases the mind from the strains of anxiety. Thriving in the harsh conditions of the Andes Mountains, maca is a plant prized for its ability to increase energy and libido. Used for centuries as a natural remedy, valerian root offers relief from digestive problems and serves as a natural painkiller. This humble berry offers more than just a tart flavor. Cranberry juice is a popular remedy for bladder infections. The milk thistle, with its distinctive purple flower, is a powerful ally for our bodies. It's been used for centuries to support the health of our liver and kidneys, acting as a shield against damage. High in the mountains of China grows the cordyceps mushroom, a fascinating fungus with a long history of medicinal use, particularly for respiratory ailments. In the arid deserts of North America, the chaparral plant thrives. Native Americans have long utilized this resilient plant for its potent antioxidant properties. Found in many parts of the world, alfalfa has been used for centuries to treat a variety of ailments. Comfrey is a remarkable plant with a long history of use in traditional medicine. This unassuming plant with its small hooded flowers holds a powerful secret. The marshmallow plant, known for its soothing properties, offers a natural remedy for various ailments. A comforting cup of marshmallow tea can help alleviate heartburns, soothe sore throats, and reduce gastrointestinal inflammation. The horse chestnut tree, with its distinctive conkers, holds medicinal value within its seeds and bark. Extracts from horse chestnut seeds are traditionally used to treat varicose veins, while gels derived from the bark offer anti-inflammatory benefits. Beyond their role in brewing, the cone-shaped flowers of the hop plant, known as hops, possess calming properties. Hops can alleviate symptoms of anxiety, such as restlessness, and offer potential benefits for women experiencing menopause. Hibiscus, a plant with a multitude of uses. Its diuretic properties make it a natural choice for treating digestion problems, controlling blood pressure, and soothing a sore throat. For generations, black cohosh has been used by women to provide relief from the pain of menstrual cramps. Gynostema is a powerful adaptogen, helping the body to deal with stress and boosting the immune system. In the dappled shade of ancient forests, we find the unassuming club moss. This ancient plant, a relic of a bygone era, holds within its delicate structure the power to soothe upset stomachs, calm skin conditions, and even alleviate kidney problems. Deep in the Amazon rainforest, the cat's claw vine climbs towards the sunlight. This remarkable plant, named for its hooked thorns, possesses potent anti-inflammatory properties and strengthens the body's natural defenses. Across the sun-baked plains of southern Africa, the aromatic buchu plant thrives. This resilient herb offers a traditional remedy for urinary tract infections and, when applied topically, can soothe the pain of bruises. Found in India, the boswellia tree produces a resin that has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. The soft velvety leaves of the mullein plant have provided relief from coughs and sore throats for generations. This cheerful yellow flower, often found in sunny meadows, has a long history of use in herbal remedies. Thyme is more than just a culinary herb. Its potent antispasmodic and antimicrobial properties have made it a traditional remedy for coughs and colds. From soothing flatulence to calming anxiety and even sharpening memory, lemon balm offers a surprising array of potential benefits. Beyond its culinary uses, oregano, a powerful antiseptic, has been used to treat coughs and aid digestion for centuries. The neem tree, a native of India, is a true pharmacy in its own right. From varicose veins to respiratory infections, gotu kola has been a sought-after remedy for centuries. Boneset, a plant with a curious name, has been traditionally used to combat influenza and its debilitating effects. Found in the cold mountainous regions of Europe and Asia, rhodiola is a remarkable adaptogen. This hardy plant can increase physical strength, alleviate depression, and help us cope with the stresses of modern life. Known as Brazilian ginseng, suma is a powerful adaptogen. It thrives in the rainforests of South America and is traditionally used to increase vitality and relieve